Guys, a quick demonstration of this Q repair lathe. Mind you, this is a Q repair lathe, not a Q building lathe. It's a Joe Porper. I believe it's his first model, but I'm not real sure. Anyhow, you just insert the shaft here and then down to the other end. Then you, if you'll notice, there's a little hole here. You turn it down, you press this button in and that holds it, and then you tighten it until it's tight. Okay, then you go to the other end and you just turn both of them in opposite directions, tighten that till it's tight. This is your cutting bit right here, and it just slides in like so, and you tighten it down. And then, let's go back over here please. This is a variable speed, and it is reversible. You can do wraps, you can do barrels, tips, cut tenons. This is a tenon cutter that came with it. I don't use it. I didn't like it. I just cut it with the bit down here personally. Also, this is a radius trimmer, and I really wish I could make this adapt good to my TAG because I love this thing. It does a heck of a good job. I forget if it's a nickel or dime, but it's very good. This is a live center that I did find that wasn't, I didn't think I had. And then here's two of the drive pins, 5/16/14, 5/16/18, and I have a 3/8 10, but it's not in here at the moment. Anyhow, go back here and we'll start this. You turn it on, it's all the way down, and then there we go. You come down here, you just turn this in right here, and I've got it a little too far out actually. Let me slide it back a little. And this, you just turn the handle till you get it to where you want it. I'm just barely going to take any off at all because this is on my kitchen table. You would trim that off, you know, until the tip was completely gone. There's a little bit of tip left on this one. You know, face your Q off, or face your ferrule off, excuse me. And then you would take, this is a tip holder that came with it. Has this flat notch which is designed to be up top. You put that there, you tighten it down, you put your tip in, screw it forward until you get your pressure on there, and you let your groove dry, and then you put your bit back in and you're off to the races. Like I say, it is reversible. That's reverse, that's off, that's forward. Let me turn it back on here. This is wide open. And this is about as slow as it'll go, which is just about right for wrapping. Some of you may go a little faster, but anyhow, you can do it forward or reverse. And that's just a quick demonstration of how it works. It may have sounded a little rattly. It's on the kitchen table, mind you. It runs pretty smooth. The bearings seem to be in good condition. To move the headstock here or the front steady rest, you just loosen these bolts and slide it back and forth. That's really the only part of this system I don't like. It's just kind of hard to do, but it's doable. But once you find where you want it at, you generally just leave it there. There's also the attachment for the extending the Qs, for a bar Q that goes down here on this end that I don't have. I'm not going to bring in the kitchen, but with the, you know, the extra steady rest for that. And that's going to conclude it for now. Thank you guys.